Alright. So this is about fighting. Yeah. KO. Oh well. Bro, you could have said K and then dot O. That's how it says. KO. Not like ko. Not like ko. Bro, that's so stupid. Who would say that? I drank a load of some kitty milks. Damn it! Lithuania wins again. Oh my god. Lithuania wins again. They show kitty milk, kitty donuts, kitty waters, kitty donuts. I meant kitty cookies. Kitty bar. Yummy. Are you good or are you just hitting? Okay, that's it. That's it. What the frick is that? What the frick is that? Damn it! Oh, you're dead. Oh, you're dead. You're dead. You're dead. Oh, you're dead. Oh my god, he's so good at... Oh my god, I'm about to literally grab his... I'm gonna break his keyboard and then I hope he won't know how to... Oh my god! Whoa, move out the way! You ruined the spot! Oh my god, yes! Literally, you just ruined the fight and then... How does that not count as a kill? Oh my god, I just literally... And why? Oh my god, I'm about to literally... Dude, oh my god, why is he so good? You moron! Oh my freaking god. No. Что? Ну Да я взял этот на улице. Ну я хочу. Thank you, Mother. You just ruined my fight. Guys, I suck. Bro, why am I not good? Oh my lord, I'm about to literally rate this game a freaking penis. Yes, I swear. Why am I not? Oh my god, why is the bad? Why can I not get the pen? How am I not? I want to get the pen and then just like literally dodging it. Bro, I wish the pen was the best weapon. Oh my lord, why? Dude, oh my god, it's super... How am I not... How does that not count as a death? Oh my god. Oh my lord, how? GG. GG. Это мой фонарь. Это мой бинокль. Ага, вот он. Да, это мой бинокль. Я могу смотреть или поесть.
Хорошо. Только в рот не бери.
Я знаю. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here. Bye.